Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're in the middle of the canopy change. Now, the old canopy's off. It's been disassembled. Before we even start addressing putting the new canopy on, there's a couple of things that we're attacking. One is we are cleaning the bow. Now, this is the forward bow. We've taken the latch assembly off, and we're bringing it down to bare metal because we're going to repaint it. If you look at the other side, it's taken a little bit of abuse over the last, 49 years. And so we're going to go ahead and make it all look nice and pretty again by repainting it. Kind of like what we did with the the shoulder harness brackets in the back of the airplane while the windows were out. We did that. Also, too, Tim has taken and painted the inner rear bow to match the interior. And he just transferred over paint to the skirt, and we've painted the inside of the skirt. So when this all goes back together, it'll be nice and pretty. So we'll get this one roll locked down and clean, get it painted, we'll hang it up, and then that will be today's work, and tomorrow we will begin the process of fitting it all in. So we'll do a video on that. But while you have it all apart, it's not going to be apart again for maybe another 40, 50 years. Now's a good time to apply a little bit of paint and really make the old girl look nice. So we hope you found all of this useful. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.